Nigerian actress Jumoke George has received a big surprise after she shared a touching story about living in a church for over 5 years. The veteran actress went viral recently when she spoke about her struggles with homelessness, health issues, death, and the pain of losing a child. She revealed that she had been living inside a church, surviving on their food, and sleeping there because she had nowhere else to go. After her story spread online, many kind Nigerians came together to help. She was gifted a fully furnished 4-bedroom duplex, a plot of land, and a brand new SUV. The gifts were presented to her in a video posted on Instagram by actress Biola Adebayo. Jumoke George was seen crying tears of joy as she entered a new home. Biola Adebayo, who helped Jumoke share her story, thanked everyone who donated. She thanked especially the kind-hearted people who gave the house, car, and the land. Fans, celebrities, and many others have praised the kind act. People say Jumoke brought joy to many through her acting, and they are happy to see her finally being cared for. Jumoke George was very emotional and grateful. She thanked everyone who remembered her when she needed help the most. The video of her receiving gifts and crying with happiness have gone viral, touching the heart of many across Nigeria. Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to Naija News TV.